This is for what?
Yes.
In this case, was supposed to pass the order on dated 1/12/2025. In the order, has passed that if the prosecution will fail to produce the witness.
Someone issued to the PW, not returned.
I have mentioned earlier also that enough chance have been given to them, Your Honor. Have been many dates now.
So this witness, what do you want to establish?
As per the evidence of the IU stated in his evidence that he conducted TIP was conducted and this PW1 identified this port of this accused person, or this accused person.
Who identified?
The witness
PW1, the witness.
identified the presence of the accused person during the time when the coal was sold to the witness. So, however, Your Honor, if you look in his statement before this court, he was examined as PW1. He has never stated anywhere that he knew any of the accused.
PW1 had appeared before this court.
Yes, Your Honor. He was examined.
And he was examined and cross-examined.
Cross-examined.
So now they have prayed for re-examination of PW1.
Re-examination. Yes.
On what ground?
On the ground that the accused or the witness is the PW1 is the witness during the time when the TIP was conducted. But many dates has been given to them, Your Honor. Has been 4 to 5
TIP is to be conducted before the accused or the witness.
I mean, the accused was present in the lockup, the district jail at the point when the TIP was conducted, and he was, as per the statement of the
Who conducted the TIP?
magistrate, Your Honor.
The person who conducted the TIP has come as a witness before this court.
It was brought before this court.
Who conducted the TIP in this case? Person who conducted the TIP, he will establish that the TIP was conducted, not the witness who are present before him.
The same witness, the same person who conducted the TIP was never cited as a witness here, Your Honor.
Yeah.
It has never been cited as a witness here.
Obviously, the TIP was conducted by the magistrate.
Yes, Your Honor.
So the magistrate has not been arraigned as a witness.
No, Your Honor. I think so. She was brought as a witness.
Is it correct? The magistrate has not been arraigned as a witness in this case.
No.
So you want to establish the TIP through the witness, not by the person who conducted the TIP.
Yes.
No, that will be very difficult.
TIP was conducted by the CJM, CJM.
She's a witness.
But
She was cited as a witness.
is not made as a witness in this case.
So through this witness, what do you want to establish? Whether the TIP was conducted or not conducted, that has not been established. You'll bring a witness who was present when the TIP was conducted to establish TIP. TIP is not a substantive piece of evidence. It is in the nature of, evidence during investigation. Anyway, but you want to establish the conduct of the TIP without establishing that TIP was conducted. Whether TIP was conducted or not, who will establish that? The IO has said that the TIP was conducted.
Yes.
By whom?
He stated that the TIP was conducted on the 10/5/2016 at District Jail, but he never stated, Your Honor, who was the person who conducted the TIP. It was conducted on the 10/5/2016.
What was the results of the TIP? Was any person identified in the TIP? TIP report has been exhibited.
No, Your Honor, it's not been exhibited.
Yes.
Not exhibited.
TIP is part of the final report.
Your Honor, it has
No.
only been stated by the IO that on the 10/5/2016, TIP was conducted at his district jail. Shri Chem Rupsi, who is PW1, identified the accused person Poibiang Thamar Sukisuyam Andon.
All right.
That's the only statement he have given.
Okay. So now TIP is part of the charge sheet.
You know, he has stated here, as per the statement of the IO, he has stated that
All right.
he has
Was
conducted.
this test identification report part of the final report?
I'll just check.
Any evidence that the TIP was conducted? We are making a statement that the TIP was conducted is not enough. There has to be some evidence to show that TIP was conducted.
Exhibit. There's no list of enclosure, Your Honor, regarding the TIP.
Yes, where is the TIP report? No, whether it is a part of charge sheet.
It's not been listed here.
When did we allow the prosecution to summon PW1 for re-examination?
Yes. I need to check the report.
By which order we allowed? How long this matter is pending for examination of re-examination of PW1?
It has been 4 to 5 days now, Your Honor. 4 to 5 months now.
Let's see.
29, 2024. As per order dated 29, 2024 for re-examination of PW1.
Any of the summon has been returned back?
No.
What is the address of this person? Address of PW1?
Where Fox Ray
Where is this?
is Jaintia. The initial stage he is in Batao. Later on, Batao village.
Now he's where?
When he first came to this court as a witness, he was residing at that point of time in Macau village. He's also in Jaintia. Subsequently, we were informed that he was married to Bear Foxray. Now he's in Bear Foxray. Was informed by the elder man of Macau village.
He's at present
Now
residing
he's in Bear Foxray.
during the course of final hearing. This court found that witness PW1 was not effectively examined, comma, consequently, by the order dated 29/2024, this court was pleased to direct the prosecution to summon PW1 for re-examination. Almost more than 3 months has lapsed. Our prosecution has not been able to secure the presence of PW1. This court, by the order dated 1/12/2025, no, not 3 months, 29/2024, na? 24, na?
So it'll be more than a year than now.
More than a year. 1 year, 3 months.
3 months, yes, sir.
Check it, no? Not. Full stop, no? After presence of the PW1. This court by after that, this court by order dated 1/12/2025 was pleased to grant last opportunity to the prosecution to produce PW1 for re-examination and fix the matter today. A record reveals that on examining the record, it emerges that the prosecution has taken steps and issued summon to the witness PW1 on number of occasions. However, none of the summon has been returned. Non-execution of the summon is a matter of great concern. It appears that the witness resides within the jurisdiction of East Jaintia Hill. the prosecution cannot be held responsible for non-appearance of the witness PW1. Inasmuch as the prosecution have taken steps, but it was not duly executed by the executing authority, bracket police. The defense counsel Sri So submits that order dated 1/12/2025 unambiguously manifests that the prosecution was given a last opportunity to produce PW1. Prosecution has failed to produce PW1. As such, the re-examination of PW1 may be closed. Next one. There is no doubt that there has been delay in re-examination of PW1. As stated above, prosecution cannot be held accountable for the delay. All the summons delay, full stop. All the summons issued was never returned. All the summons issued to secure the presence of PW1 was never returned. Stop. Be that as it may be, more than a year time is good enough time for the prosecution to secure the presence of the witness. The accused in the instant case is a UTP. He is being remanded from time to time in custody only for the purpose of re-examination of PW1. This court makes it very clear if the witness, if the prosecution fails to produce PW1 on the next date fixed, without any further order, re-examination of PW1 shall stand closed. Fix this matter for examination of PW1 after a month.
If I may, if we could summon the IO also to find out the address of the PW won't be much better.
We have already taken care of. If they don't bring after a month, we are not passing on. In the meantime, the accused is remanded back to 14 days judicial custody. Fixed on such after 14 days for production and after a month for examination of the witness. Huh? You're not UTP.
Not in UTP in this case, it's in another case, C. James case.
Then we will not remand him. If he's not a UTP in this case,
Not a UTP.
we will not remand him. The accused, don't remand him. The accused shall be produced before this court on the next date fixed on the strength of a production warrant. As the accused is on bail in the instant case. Yes.
Itu melemprak.
Yeah.
Then Livingstone Pandap.
Yes.
Your Honor, the summon served to the witness duly returned, Your Honor, but the witness has returned of Your Honor.
All the witnesses are there. All the accused persons are here.
Yes,
This one rap Dhar is absconder. Somebody is entering at appearance today. You are entering appearance today.
Yes.
For whom?
All the
Including the accused who is absconding.
No.
All right, accused Hitmu Pudong Idrisna Augustine Suchiang, Livingstone Sna, present. Defense Counsel, M. Surong entered appearance for the 4 accused persons and filed his power, which is taken on record. Additional PP, Sri D. Langbang, present. Summon issued to the witness returned duly served. However, the witness is absent without any steps. Prosecution is at liberty to take fresh step, refix for evidence. Yes.
Lala Bhanasam.
In this case also, someone has been duly served and also received by the witness itself. It's not present.
Where is the accused?
Your Honor, the accused person informed me this morning that is suffering from diarrhea and could not appear.
The accused Lalaba Lapasam, represented by Defense Counsel Srimati M. Suchiang, Prosecutor Sri Sonso present. Lala prosecutor submits that the summon issued to the witness has returned served. However, the witness is absent without any steps. Prosecution is at liberty to take fresh steps, refix for evidence.
Today,
Yes.
Romi Chalam.
Yes, present.
Okay. Will examine.
Yes, sir.
Sanki Lindo.
Sanki Lindo.
Yes, for final argument.
Yes. You ready?
But first, not yet, Not fully. Oh, well,
You are ready.
next 8 weeks.
This matter is fixed today for final argument. The accused Sanki Lindo is present along with defense counsel. Your good name? FL Dakar. Additional prosecutor S. Chansang present. Lawyer prosecutor prays for time on the ground that he is not ready for the final argument. Pray aloud. This matter shall be heard positively on the next date fixed. Refixed for final argument. Yes.
Jilinsan Shadap. Jinal Shadap.
Fixed for final argument. This matter is fixed for examination of the accused under section 313 of CRPC. Accused persons are absent without any steps. Who is appearing for prosecution? Defense counsel is absent without any steps. Refix for appearance of the accused persons and their examination under 313 of CRPC. Yes. Yes. Yes.
We'll call the witness, Your
Which case? Which case?
Honor. This is item number 5, Your Honor, Romi Chala.
Who is appearing for the accused?
I'm appearing.
Where is the accused?
It's present.
Wow, tăng bằng smile mất không? Bột ngã ông smile á. Có làm gì không? Tuy học đơn hít. Lại. Giờ làm gì nè? Khả năng yêu tiếp pitch phẳng đi cái sum con nó có mô vì cái trek बनाए उसने मुझे अगर नहीं किया cara boleh tu ni kamu tiếp pitch phẳng đi cái ni Romi Salam ni tau PO PRB I know of the instant case PRB kamu tau PO I know of the instant case as the accused person is my cousin brother and the incident occurred on the 28th of Ong PR Patrick who 28th of December 2023 the khana I hagani katrek new bnai snem yu wajia kong khana I at kam mutip hima
Video dia ada menunjukkan ada yang lain. Nang setiap pun yang di idang tiai dari kutki yang asa kersujung ada yang baik nih, mana baik dem lele lipat kawan, den jauh dah tahu nih. Orang lagi kan nih,
On the morning of the 28th, 2023, you knew one kasud warong pi. You knew pun pi pertuju. Romi. On the morning of the 28th, 2023, the accused person, Romi Salam, came to my residence and knocked. Nenu kedua perang mo dia mo perang mo dia and knock on my front door. Manda chok duar kam nu ong pi chok duar. Knock on the front door and ask me to open the door. Manda pak wai opini kedua. Kedam nete. You one. Ikon. Pi tipor kam nu pi yo pi le. Ikon pi. Pi deu pi wa. At that point of time, I was still sleeping with my two children. And upon hearing the accused knocking at the door and asked me to open the door, he to confuse partly why. He particular confuse. And asked me to open the door. Ong pi the confuse. He particular. Elsa Mary. Open the door.
No, one of my neighbor. What's the name?
Not neighbor, Your Honor. The accused person himself came to.
No, who said to open the door?
The accused, Your Honor. I then instruct my daughter, who is sleeping along with me.
I instructed, not then. ED.
He particular confirm Elsa Mary instructed my daughter, Miss Elsa Mary Chalam, to open the door. The man the part why he akan confirm kamu le akan confirm. Yai ong le lapat kan. Man yai is ong le lipat. Yai gat ka sa. Manap kana pi pertuj man to rakai. Chengan korem ka. Chenang chela. And when my daughter opened the door, the accused person entered. The accused person entered inside and asked me.
Enter inside what?
Inside her house. Inside my house.
Inside. Entered inside my house.
And
entered inside the house.
Inside the house. And requested me to go and check on his wife, on the accused wife, Shrimati Chengan Lang Chala, as she is lying unresponsive. Tumanda the wong pini. And then upon hearing the accused request, I woke up
On the request of the accused.
on request of the accused. I woke up and then inquired from him as to what had happened and whether there is a quarrel between them.
Inquired from whom?
From the accused.
I woke up and inquired
From
from
the
the
accused
accused.
as to what had happened
I inquired from the accused if any incident had taken place.
and the accused ông phi ông một đắt hữu gan tiện and the accused replied that he had beaten his wife from her hand. Teman da deb ongi piu to dat hữu gan kti ka tegam le piu.
Lai chi yong ki de man ko yong ki de da te ko ji da thia ba la rut pa.
Harut pai. Thereafter, I proceed. Kan nu jing jingai ti yung piu yung
Chingai
kan nu antat pi de kap kan nu minute kan nu.
sa minit ru.
San- Thereafter, I proceed to the residence of the accused, which is approximately 5 minute walking distance from my residence. Approximately 5 minute walking distance from my residence. Teman da poi pi te yung kan nu de si pi chapo mo chalai.
Ko da sia ai da pa ka de yo da thia ma te da misal na brum em di ko.
Ai nu tia ka
Pa sa.
harut pai yung chaja. And on reaching the PO, I enter inside the house,
On reaching the house of
the
the
house of the
accused,
accused. I entered inside
I entered inside the house
and I saw the body of Srimati Shngain Lam Chla,
I saw body of Srimati.
Shngain Lam Chla,
Where?
near the fireplace.
Near the
Fireplace.
kitchen.
Kitchen hang yung chajamo in the kitchen. Near the fireplace in the kitchen. Mandayo pika ite kam nu le pika.
Yeah, how was the body lying?
Kam nu kata kamen. Tika te pelup mo teling kadang. The body was lying. She's facing up, you know.
Where, on the ground?
On the ground.
bed?
Yes, on the ground.
The body was lying. The body was lying on the floor with the face towards the sky.
Toward the sky.
Yes.
Te kani kamet kam nu de ka kam nu yo pika. Ni kata kamet yung kani ka kong chengan sa ong piu to pai ka yo piu thia ka de pai chajrong no. Ndao.
Pa ro pe mi no ru kun da ha pa te no pa ye no.
Pa je pi.
Pa ye em ba em kun da la sa pa ye sa.
Man kata kamet kam nu yo pika.
Te de thia ang kadang.
De thia lang kadang. As I am afraid upon seeing the body, I don't do anything. Tong pi te man dekat detin pi, wo yo pi te kamet tem em le pi no. Teman dari tian man em le pi, atien ne tien yin le pi.
Trong nhà phun ta ông hay yang ca te ngai u đi lại cha.
Ai nui chong pi.
Hay te sa po yung sa hay te sa trong ấy.
I do not do anything, and there I sat along with the accused person in the kitchen for a while.
I sat down there. I sat down in the house of the accused, along with the accused person,
Along with the accused person,
without doing anything, as I was scared. Then
And then the accused asked her, Your Honor, to wait there as he will go to the house of his in-law to inform the matter.
The accused asked me to be in his house, and he left to the house. He left at the house and went to the house of whose?
His Piyongka, Yokibayu, Yipertu Kibayu.
And went to the house of his in-laws.
Of his in-law to inform about
to inform about the incident.
the incident. Piyong Piyu would tip a pima from about the incident. The dep natian, Manda dep wongi pigamte, Pi lep.
Instead ang yang kaya yung likud sabat play na dan ang ngambil no yang dan ang ikon bidang tiagi ang on kini lagi dengan kasugi ikon yang ki de penba atau pian de pat chong dengan te yudan alipan.
Then she told the accused, Your Honor, she will not wait as she's afraid, and then inquired from him where is their children, and then he told her that they are still sleeping, and then she waked them up, and then asked his children to be there by the side of the mother, and then after she left, Your Honor, as she is afraid.
I was terrified. I asked, who did ask the accused?
The accused, yes.
But the accused went to his in-laws' place.
She said she didn't want to wait, Your Honor, she's afraid, and there itself she asked.
Terrified. And did not wanted to be there in the house of the accused. As such, I asked the accused about his children.
About his children.
The accused told me that they are in the house.
Still sleeping.
The accused told me that the children are there in the house, sleeping. I woke the children up. I woke the children up and asked them to be beside their mother.
Beside the mother.
And I left the place.
And
I left the house of the accused.
The man bị phân in yung ang em cho OTP. That's all she knew.
She knows this accused.
That's what I'm about to ask.
She knows this accused.
Timit ko only Romi Salam. She know yan.
The lady, what happened to the lady? She knows.
Kaniga kurim yung OTP UGI ka. Man tip man UGI ka din sa man nami man dito.
Did she come to know about this lady whom she saw lying near the kitchen? What happened to the lady? She knows anything.
Pi man da ong pi hadien to demi pnei tu ma. Te ika ta kwa OTP. Man demi pnei tu tipi. Ika tu ko met wayo pi watia itu nang. Tipi UGI ka hadien itu. Man ka tu ko met. Man UGI ka tu kan chala tipi. Hadien man demi pnei tu ni yung.
Nga mandami dan mandami no dan mandala no dan yo da ponen ipan.
Okay, madam.
Cái ni cái chuyện lăng chla to ai chủ đi kiệt cơ chủ đi cơ. It is a fact that the victim used to drink alcohol. This is victim. Used to drink alcohol. PM chính tiếp thì cái mệt vào gia cái ạt bộ pra ông pinong ta ạt phong nhau tới em chính tiếp thì cái cái mệt ạt phong nhau tới đi kiệt cơ tiếp thì thế.
Nami de pria do wan ga yang ilete.
Cái ạt phong nhau tới tiếp. I have no knowledge that on the day before the incident, whether the victim was drinking or not. Oh, pini jing jam you pini kmat pinang. It is but I do not eyewitness the incident. I do not witness the incident. That's all.
Witness to step down, huh?
In the UTP? Accused is UTP?
No, yeah.
No, they're accused.
She's PW1,
No, she's will give to.
PW2, huh?
Yes, sir.
Present examined by the prosecutor, cross-examined by defense counsel. Witness discharged, prosecution to take steps, summon other witnesses.
Obliged, sir.